What's up everybody, Weston here. I want to do an update video of my Miata. Forever ago I posted a video of it wrecked. I actually totaled the vehicle on February 18th. I'm sorry, on June 11th, 2015, I actually wrecked this car. Now here we are in 2019, back on the road, ready to go, and I want to update you guys with what all I've done to it. So, I have a little cheat sheet here. I bought this car August 16th of 2014, and I wrecked it the first time on February 18th of 2015, and I dented the fender and the rear quarter. And then on June 11th, 2015, I was on my way down to Ocean City with the car for a all-wheel drive meet, and I got in an accident with it, and I totaled it. So I decided to buy the car back, so I just wanted to tell everyone how exactly you go about doing that, at least in the state of Pennsylvania, is I bought the car back for $682.31, which got deducted from the $5,543 they said my car was worth. So after that, I got my check for the car, I got the car back, and I got a salvage certificate with the car. I posted a video, I'll go ahead and link it down below, of everything I had, or of whenever I wrecked it, what it looked like. Everything I had to do to fix the car cost me $3,038.80, which I replaced the headlights, the core support, bumper obviously, the airbags, the steering wheel, the windshield, a couple other things I had to replace in there, but that's just everything included to fix the car. I added up was $3,038. And then to go through the enhanced inspection process cost me another $465, which I got the car, I got the certificate of salvage, I fixed the car, I took it down to the place. I actually went to a place that does it all for me, so all I had to do was take all the paperwork and drop the car off, and it was done in a couple of days. It underwent the enhanced process, which they inspect it to make sure it's back to original. Alright, so one little thing I did forget to mention is once you go through the process of getting it all done, it's a normal car again, other than the registration saying branded title. I didn't have any issues with insurance or anything like that, at least with my company. I just added the car and it was good to go. I can't add full coverage to it again, which is kind of a bummer, but I don't really care at this point. So like I said, the hood was replaced, both the headlights were replaced, the bumper was replaced. I added that little lip on the bottom of it to make it a little more aggressive. I mean, as aggressive as you can make a Miata. You can look at all the body gaps. They're pretty decent. I mean, they're not perfect, but hey, it's a reconstructed 20-year-old car now. These headlights are super expensive on the NB1 body style, which is kind of a pain in the butt, so I went with used headlights. Let's go into the inside. So I had to replace the airbags, which that airbag could use adjusted, honestly, but it's in there properly, believe it or not. The passenger airbag, airbag control module had to be replaced, and I have no airbag light, which you can't have for enhanced inspection. It's a lot of pain in the butt stuff you have to do to get it to pass properly. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and put this hood up. Alright, so the hood's up. Valve cover looks super ugly. While I was in there, I decided to go with a super thick radiator because I eventually I'm gonna end up going turbo with the car, which I'll do a little video and show you all the parts I got. But this piece was replaced. It was welded on. Part of the cost of the $3,000 was I paid labor to have it welded on properly because I kind of wanted the car perfect. So this is a piece, this is a piece, this is a piece, these two little pieces, and then you can't see under there, but the impact support as well. So you can see all that's perfect. no crumples or anything like that. I actually kind of lucked out when I wrecked the car. I didn't hit the actual impact support down here that's supposed to take the brunt of the impact. I actually hit the radiator support because this car is so low, and that's kind of why it did as much damage as it did, because this is supposed to take the brunt of the impact, and it took it up here on the radiator support. So there it is, a little update for the car. Valve cover's a little nasty, but it's all ready to go turbo now, and I got it all back and road legal after a couple years of the car being wrecked. I moved out of state and all kind of other stuff happened, and it just kind of got put on the back burner. But here it finally is, all road legal, ready to go, and ready to finally be modified and make it fast. So there it is. It's all ready. We're gonna start doing a turbo build on it. I'll go ahead and show you some of the parts I got. I want to get the rest of the parts in before I end up modifying it. All it's under it right now is it's on coilovers, has some Jeep intake on it, and an aftermarket radio, and that's everything done to it. So by this spring, I would like to get some proper autocross wheels. Have it turboed. I'm shooting for between 200 and 250 wheel horsepower. I want to do it proper. I have an oil cooler and all kind of other stuff I want to throw on it, so it can so I can just go track it and don't have to worry. I'd like to get a big brake kit before spring and a bunch of other things. So I'm gonna start posting some videos regularly of this car as well, of the big brake kit, of the turbo kit, installing Mega Squirt, installing all the coolers and all the other aftermarket things I do to it. I'll go ahead and kind of just give an overview of it on here.